how to brainwash your brain. Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. How to brainwash your brain. Daily affirmation. Repeat positive statements. Affirmations rewire your mindset for optimism and success. Visualize goals. Imagine achieving your outcome. Visualization strengthens motivation and clarity towards your goals. Consume inspiration. Read or listen to motivating content. Inspirational content fuels your drive and broadens your perspective. Keep a gratitude journal. It's too important. Note daily positives. Gratitude shifts focus to the positive, enhancing overall well-being. What else? Positive surroundings. Engage with uplifting people. Positive environments boost your mood and reinforce success habits. The important thing, adopt positive habits, integrate growth-focused routines. Positive habits create a foundation for lasting change, and it's too important. Dear Unique, if you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel, write a comment for me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Dear Unique, always remember there is only one you. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever.